This 2025 Venture RV Sienna SA231 VRK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 4, TV antenna, carbon monoxide detector, self-contained, microwave, awning, spare tire kit, oven, smoke detector, refrigerator, external shower, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear kitchen, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Venture RV Sienna SA231 VRK is 5,720 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.